let me tell you guys why arm warmers can be so helpful when you're trying to get hot things out of a microwave. Like a plate, this is pretty hot, so arm warmers protect your hands. Yippee!